Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S Cafe model, 650 cc's, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, ABS brakes, only 10,600 miles. Really cool gray and silver paint scheme, the green highlights, reflective wheel tape. It's got that nice cowl fairing on the front. Come on by, make your Vulcan S dreams come true for only $49.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.